That's why I'm standing in front of you today.
Now, fresh political tensions have emerged in Embu County after the Democracy for Citizens Party linked the summoning of its vice chair, Steve Simba, to what it describes as increasing pressure on opposition leaders. The party claims these reflects growing friction between state agencies and critics of both county and national governments. The summon is tied to an alleged assault during a November 2025 church service at SEK Karangare village that was attended by DCP party leader Rigathi Gachagua. While investigators suspect Simba's involvement, his legal team has questioned the timing and procedure of the case.
These are fabricated charges. Now we have seen that those charges must be re-examined by the office of DPP because he had never been summoned to any police station to record a statement with regard to those instances. Be summoned in a decent manner, and we will arrange for him to attend to the offices if and when he is required. He's a law-abiding citizen, you know him very well. Now, we will cooperate, but not to the extent of where there are fishy, illegal, and corroborated charges.
Next time, hii maneno hatutachukulia tu kwa mzaha. Lazima hii maneno ya kusumbua viongozi wetu sababu wanatetea wa Kenya ikome. Na mimi ningetaka kusema hivi, viongozi wote wa DCP, ukiwa mahali uko na ile kitu unatafuta, usungumze kifua mbele na utetee mwananchi wa Embu, mwananchi wa Lunyenjes, mwananchi wa Kenya.
Tungependa kuambia DCI na Office of ODPP wasitumike kwa siasa. Tulisema kama ni siasa mtu aende ajitetee. Na niambie wanasiasa ambao wanaona tutashindana na wao 2027. Wewe enda ujitetee kwa wananchi. Enda uambie kile umefanya. Wachana na Simba, wachana na polisi, wachana na DCI, wachana na ODPP. Wacha kila mtu ajitetee kwa wananchi roho safi.
Leaders are allied to the